Truck driver spills 4,000 Big Ben pies in Manukau. Look at them all.
It's only 4 grand of pies, bro.
We've had a slight incident this morning on the corner of Manukau Station Road and Davies Avenue in Manukau, where a heavy vehicle was taking a right-hand turn and lost all of their pies.
Lost all of the pies.
Fuck! Didn't say he crashed, he literally talked about what was on the train. Lost all the pies. Anyway, you got a door, right?
Yeah. And here is the ensuite. We spent a bit of time yesterday making this wall straight. Took a bit of work and it had to be packed to suit the shower tray here. It's a very small ensuite. It's going to be a basin there, toilet there, new floor, and new door. Can you believe there's no door on this thing? It's just a bathroom with no door. So that's the goal today, put a door up. Okay, so I've already checked the door, but let's do it on camera. Door height plus 60 mils. I know the door height, it's 1980. Yeah, 1980. Plus 60 mil is 2 meters and 40. Let's go mark it. Okay, that just lets the track screw to the same line as the architrave. You know, I don't want the architrave getting in the way of the door. Alright, we've got our stoppers at the end so the door can't fall off. Boom. But the thing is, it's flapping at the bottom like that. So what do we do about that? Well, we have a little groove thing that we screw to the floor, and that groove thing goes into a slot in the door. We need to make that slot now. Mate, it's looking tidy in here, Pato.
Thanks, bro. Wash your balls in there. Be great.
Very professional operation. Alright. We're in a bit of a pickle here. It takes just as long to do a small bathroom as it does to do a big bathroom, because you're doing all the same steps. You're stripping it all out, you're reframing where you need a frame, you're putting new jib on, the plumber's doing his thing, the electrician's doing his thing, and it all has to be in the same order. So it just takes just as long, maybe a little less, but almost just as long. Now the pickle we have is we don't have a plasterer. So we're going to finish the jib today, and we don't have a plasterer to plaster. Plaster and painter.
May as well. If someone can do both, that'd be great. Be
So,
part of the team, bro. Part of the SBC team, bro.
So yeah, if you want to be part of the Scopper and Carpentry team for a little while, hit me up, because I've already done it on Instagram. I don't know if that's going to come to anything. Scott Brown here. If you're in Auckland and you know a plasterer, message me, please. So hopefully that'll work and we won't need to go down this road, but yeah, we're stuck for a plasterer.
Otherwise we're going to have to do it.
Yeah, otherwise we're going to have to do it, and the last time I tried to do it I made a real bad mess of it. Took the door off again in order to put this groove in that we need to put in. So we propped it up on this stand here. It's kind of steady. And now comes the cutting method for a groove in the bottom of a door. Yeah, I probably should get the correct router bit and do it that way, but hey, I don't have that at the moment. So let's do it this way. So yeah, if you're going to do this at home, don't do it this way. This is the incorrect way. Get yourself a correct router bit and you'll have a much cleaner cut. But it did work. Vinyl on top of vinyl. Why?
Gross though.
I'm not happy about that. This vinyl is joined as well, it's not one big sheet. So liquid gets between the gaps and liquid stays between the gaps for years.
And that liquid being?
Well, that's where the toilet was, so you can imagine what that liquid was. It smells pretty bad in here, Pato.
It's disgusting. It smells like a public toilet. Didn't smell like that before though.
So that smell was kind of trapped under the vinyl, and because Pato's pulling it up, you can now smell it. It's not very good.
Right.
Oh, this is one of those tricky days where everything's a bit of a battle. We're just gonna I've just put a little bit of paint on just so it's not completely timber. So when the painter gets up there and paints around the track, it isn't that much of a mission. We're just gonna put the door on for now. Only place to keep it, and see you in the next exciting episode.